Oh yeah. Skater down. Skater down. Alright guys, we got about half the fence removed already. Wish you guys could smell what I'm smelling. It really smells like just rancid dog poo-poo. And that's not what you like when you work, but it's okay. We've had worse. We've had worse. Alright, phase 2.
I need a hammer.
Now he needs a hammer.
I need a hammer.
The hammer has been acquired. Cue the Home Depot music. Trying to avoid this here excrement. Oh, come on with your purse now. Alright, this fence here is removed at last after that beautiful time lapse. It's time to start building. What do you say, Jake? Time to start building, yeah?
I think it's time to start digging.
I like it. Time to find an outlet. To use the jackhammer to break up some rocks. Other side of the house. Perfect. Alright. Time for alternative methods of destruction. Demolition, whatever you want to say. We do not have a long enough extension cord, so Jake here's gonna grab the old Danny bar. Old Daniel bar. Let's see if this works. Oh, that's, no, come on, yeah. That'll come out. Look at that. Look at that. Easy peasy. Oh yeah. Oh, Christ.
Come on, Bartol.
Get in there now.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Dude.
Oh.
Well, there's a
Wow.
hole.
Well,
My God.
lumber day, lumber day, lumber day. How about it? How fucking about it?
I was too busy loading. What were they looking
Yeah, crazy seeing young men doing young men stuff.
Panicking and swooping and panicking, looking at us and laughing.
Ah, typical.
27 2x4.
27.
Why were they laughing?
I don't know.
How many of these posts we got here today? 10? Awesome.
Post 27 2x4.
Awesome.
8 bags of King Creek.
Let's load it up.
Standing in the front of boom.
Alright, got our trailer unloaded and loaded. Let's see what the boss man has to say. What are we doing, boss man?
We're making a steak.
Oh, I like steaks. That's a big ass pencil.
Big pencil.
That's the That's that whatchamacallit from SpongeBob. Doodle
Doodle
Bob.
Bob,
Doodle Bob's
yeah.
pencil. Shout out Sam Widmer. Sam Soup.
Shout out Lambo.
Wambo Sambo. Yeah, that's a bloody proper job right there. Now let's get this fucking aggregate. Right. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck. Right. Give her a go. Picket time! You guys are gonna like this one.